Presenting Motovolt Ice. Here, we will show you how to unbox the Ice folding electric cycle. Cut the straps and open the box. Take out the cycle, seat and charger. Unwrap carefully the bubble wraps. Inside the box, you will get all the parts shown here. Upright the handlebar and lock it carefully. Then look for the handle clamp to lock the handle properly. Now, we will show you how to install the seat and how to adjust the seat height. To fix the seat, move the quick seat clamp anti-clockwise, and to tighten, move the screw handle clockwise. Ensure to tighten the quick release clamp properly to avoid any failure. Unfold the paddle to fix it properly. Press the power button on the middle of the display to switch on the cycle. While cycling, press M button to change the speed from eco, mid and power. Press upper arrow button to check odo. Total distance covered, battery voltage remaining. Move the throttle anti-clockwise to start cycling and press brakes simultaneously.